Did you know the AI market is expected to soar to $190 billion by 2025? This explosive growth is not just a number, it's a revolution, reshaping every aspect of our lives. Today, we're diving deep into how Sam Altman's ambitious vision and groundbreaking AI technologies are fueling this unprecedented boom. From life-changing speech devices and companionship AIs to innovative gaming experiences and beyond, we're exploring the future right here, right now. This journey will unveil how AI's advancements are not just innovations, but are also keys to unlocking human potential and solving complex challenges. Are you ready to see how AI is transforming our world and pushing the boundaries of what's possible? Let's get started. 1. Sam Altman's grand vision. Sam Altman, the visionary behind OpenAI, is on a mission to significantly advance the world of artificial intelligence. With an eye on the future, he's not just thinking big, he's thinking colossal, with plans to raise an astonishing amount of money, in the trillions, for a new venture aimed at chip manufacturing. This isn't just about creating another chip company. It's about building the very foundation that future AI technologies will stand on, making OpenAI less dependent on current industry giants like NVIDIA. Recognizing the magnitude of this vision, Sam Altman has turned to the United Arab Emirates, UAE, for a strategic partnership. This collaboration is more than a business deal. It's a pivotal moment that could shift the global AI dynamics. The UAE, with its ambitious investments in technology and innovation, could become a key player in the AI domain, providing the necessary support for Altman's groundbreaking project. This partnership is set to propel the UAE onto the global stage as a leader in AI technology, while simultaneously pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI development and application. Altman's grand vision, supported by the strategic alliance with the UAE, is not just about creating new technologies, it's about shaping the future of our global AI landscape. 2. Breakthroughs in speech restoration devices. Engineers from UCLA have made a groundbreaking leap in healthcare technology with the creation of a wearable device that gives voice back to those with speech disorders. This small, flexible patch designed to be worn on the throat uses the power of artificial intelligence to translate muscle movements into clear, understandable speech. It's a beacon of hope for individuals who have lost their ability to speak due to conditions affecting their vocal cords or as a result of surgeries, such as those for throat cancer. This device not only showcases the incredible potential of AI in healthcare, but also represents a significant advancement in improving the quality of life for many. With a remarkable success rate in understanding and reproducing spoken words, this innovation opens new doors for effective communication, allowing individuals to express themselves freely once again. 3. Companion AI for dementia patients. Viv is an AI companion designed to bring comfort and friendship to individuals living with dementia. Developed by the University of New South Wales, Viv is more than just technology. She's a friend who listens, talks, and shares stories, making residents feel understood and less alone. Her presence in care homes, like the one in Sydney, has shown a significant positive impact on the quality of life for residents with memory issues. Viv offers tailored interactions, responding to each person's unique needs and preferences, which helps manage feelings of isolation, restlessness, or sadness. By engaging in meaningful conversations and reminiscing about happy memories, Viv supports not only the emotional well-being of residents, but also aids in keeping their minds active and engaged. This innovative approach to dementia care highlights the compassionate potential of AI, proving that technology can play a crucial role in enhancing human lives, especially for those navigating the challenges of dementia. 4. Einstein AI, the theoretical physics breakthrough. Scientists have embarked on an exciting journey by developing an AI that can think like a physicist, creating new theories in physics. This AI, part of a groundbreaking project, analyzes complex data and simplifies it, much like unraveling a cosmic puzzle, to propose new theories about how the universe works. This marks a significant leap forward, blending the realms of AI and scientific research. By explaining its findings in understandable physics terms, this AI makes the intricate world of theoretical physics accessible to more people. It's like having a digital Einstein, pushing the boundaries of what we know about the universe and opening up new possibilities for discovery. 5. SEMA, a human-like gaming companion. Google DeepMind's SEMA is a groundbreaking AI that's changing how we play video games, making the experience more like playing with a human friend. Unlike traditional game AIs focused on winning, SEMA is designed to cooperate, understand instructions, and adapt to the game's flow, making gaming more interactive and fun. It's being trained across various games, including open-world adventures using visual cues and natural language, which allows it to act as a truly helpful and engaging teammate. This approach brings a new level of immersion and enjoyment to gaming, as players can now team up with an AI that not only follows commands, but also contributes to the gameplay in a meaningful way. SEMA represents a leap forward in AI, offering a glimpse into a future where games are not just played alongside AI, but with AI that genuinely enhances the gaming experience. 6. Revolutionizing software engineering with Devon. Devon is an AI assistant that's redefining the landscape of software development, marking a new era in the field. Created by Cognition AI, Devon is designed to work hand-in-hand with human developers, revolutionizing the way software is built. It's not just another tool. Devon is an integral part of the development team, offering real-time updates, taking feedback, and helping make crucial decisions throughout the development process. From planning to execution, Devon's capabilities are vast, including debugging, coding, and even learning new technologies. This collaboration between human intellect and AI efficiency accelerates project timelines, enhances code quality, and opens up new possibilities for innovation in software engineering. Devon's introduction signifies a shift towards a future where AI-driven processes become the backbone of software development, promising more sophisticated and efficient solutions in the tech world. 7. AI and augmented reality in airports. Glasgow Airport is leading the way in enhancing passenger experiences through a pioneering initiative that integrates artificial intelligence, AI, and augmented reality, AR, technologies. This initiative, part of the Connected Airport Living Lab project, aims to make air travel more accessible and supportive for passengers who require special assistance. By collaborating with various innovative companies, Glasgow Airport is testing a range of technologies designed to assist those with disabilities or additional needs. Among these technologies, an instant messaging service powered by AI and AR offers real-time support, guiding passengers through the airport and providing information tailored to their specific needs. Additionally, digital assistants accessible via QR codes help improve communication and navigation within the airport, ensuring passengers can find their way around easily and stress-free. Another notable aspect of this initiative is the use of AR for sign language announcements and translations, making airport announcements more accessible to deaf or hard-of-hearing passengers. This inclusive approach demonstrates Glasgow Airport's commitment to leveraging AI and AR to break down barriers in air travel, making it a more welcoming and supportive environment for all passengers. By prioritizing inclusivity, the airport sets a benchmark for how technology can be used to enhance the travel experience for individuals requiring special assistance. And that wraps up our journey through the incredible world of AI advancements and their transformative impact on our lives, from healthcare innovations to gaming companions and making air travel more accessible. Each story we've shared today highlights the boundless possibilities AI brings to our world, making it a better place for everyone. If you're amazed by how AI is shaping our future, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button to show your support, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of technology, and share this video to spread the word about these incredible innovations. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below and let us know which AI advancement excites you the most or how you see AI changing our future. Together, let's keep exploring, learning, and marveling at the wonders of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching and stay curious, my friends. Until next time.